Hello, welcome to the Midlife Lab. So, what is the Midlife Lab? Well, I'm sure there are a number of you looking at the background thinking, oh gods, not another electronics channel. Yeah, sorry, but it is another electronics channel. But let me put your mind to rest, you don't have to watch this one. I'm not going to get in-depth information on electrical or electronic engineering. It's not going to be interesting teardowns or reverse engineering of gadgets, widgets, devices, nor fascinating insight into vintage equipment. There won't even be any explosions. Well, not on purpose anyway. So yeah, it's just going to be me, an electronic hobbyist, pottering in the lab, doing what I fancy. So why the Midlife Lab? Well, some say when a man reaches a certain point in his life, he looks back on his youth, perhaps with nostalgia about things he'd done, or regret over things he didn't do. So have I gone out and bought myself a sexy little sporty two-seater drop top, or a great throbbing motorbike, a race around the country lanes clad in skin-tight leather, fantasising I've got Marianne Faithfull on the pillion. No, I haven't done any of that. What I decided, or what I really decided I wanted to do, was I wanted to build the Electronics Today International 4600 sound synthesizer. Well, I wasn't sure about building the whole thing. I mean, that big panel, where would I get that nowadays? And I'm not really into all that metal bashing. And the patch panel, ooh, gorgeous, but I think the only place I could get that nowadays would be very expensive. So I thought perhaps build parts of it, modules, and build a system so that I can make a bit of noise. But how? I used to have all the magazines with all the articles about this, but with various house moves and clearing out and things like that, unfortunately, I no longer have any of those magazines. None of them. So what am I going to do? Well, like any self-respecting techno geek, I hit interwebs and I DuckDuckGo'd it. Other search engines are available. And what did I find? What did I find indeed? I found a copy of the reprint of the original articles. A result. Excellent. Not only that, I found the Practical Electronics sound synthesizer. Now, I really lusted after this in the day. This was February 1973, so I was only 13. But that case, modular case, and all those sexy coloured knobs and coloured tops and the knobs, yes. But unfortunately, the gulf between desire to build it and the actual ready negotiables to be able to do that was too great. So I had to leave it and just silently lust. Not only that, what I found, the Practical Electronics Mini-Sonic. Cut down, made in a little portable unit, very easy to use. In addition to that, micro synth. Yeah, you know, it's noticing a bit of a thing with the Practical Electronics here. They like their noise. In addition to that, we have Elector's Formant. And the venerable Wireless World Electronic Sound Synthesizer. All good stuff. So, yes, my plans changed somewhat at this point, not only because of having found these, but finding a cornucopia of modern modular analog goodness. Sort of designs by the likes of Thomas Henry, Ken Stone, Ray Wilson, Jürgen Abel, Ian Fritz, and so many more. So, instead of having a distinct goal, the 4600 sound synthesizer, in my mind, I have decided that I'm going to produce something different. Perhaps a freaky Frankenstein conglomeration of various parts from all these synthesizers and designs online. Lots of different standards and voltages. It's going to be great. So, yes, that's going to be it. My mission, should I choose to accept it, which I have, is to do something interesting that will make weird sounds. That weep, boop, 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 boop. What else can I do? Well, if you're still here after all this waffling, thank you very much. And you never know, I might actually do some other bits and pieces. I probably will do other bits and pieces, you never know what's going to crop up. But this is my main focus. And if you happen to drop in again, you'll be most welcome. Until then, I'll be seeing you.